Welcome to the Kenneth Cold Beer channel.
Oh, hey guys. What are you doing in my fridge? Anywho, Kenneth Cold Beer here. Cold gas hot food. You already know what time it is. Up our gold one. That's good. You guys still hanging around in my fridge? Don't you got better things to do than to hang around inside my refrigerator? Well, since you're in the refrigerator, might as well do a shot. Cheers. Bottoms up. Salute. Is your refrigerator running? Sounds like mine is. Anyways, have fun hanging around inside a refrigerator.
Excuse me, ma'am. Is your refrigerator running? It is. Well, you better catch it before it runs away.
Yeah, you guys are still hanging around my fridge. Wow, you must really be bored. You must not have any better things to do besides hanging around in my fridge. It's a little cold in there. It's okay, it may be cold in the fridge, but it's cold outside right now. It's a blizzard. It's snowing. Really bad. Anyways, cheers. Anyways, have fun. Bye. Yeah, I'm just fucking with you. You guys want to see something really cool? I got myself a new lamp today. And it charges your cell phone. And it also holds your cell phone. Which, look at that setup right there. Like, my head looks like it's stuck in between Chucky's two arms. Got the knife here, and you got the hand over here with the eyeball. Pretty sick. It's pretty cool. Yeah, right about there. Perfect. Anyways, show you guys what I got. Alright. So I got this lamp right here. Changes colors. Charges your cell phone, as you can see. Anyways, let's hook it up. I got my old lamp right there by the window. But we're gonna hook this lamp up right here. So let's do an unboxing. Alright, here's one. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I love it. They just throw the freaking cord in the box, like, no big deal. Instructions. You can get a white one. Freaking white, there's a ton. Heavy. It's heavy. Heavy. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Put this bad boy up. God, it's awful fucking dirty. Why is it so dirty for being in a box? Oh my god. Well, I almost think this thing was used and taken back. But then again, it's Liquidator World, right? Be surprised I don't plug it in and it don't fucking work. That'd just be my luck. Fucking filthy, man. Holy shit. Until we do buy it, take it home, not like it, and bring it back. It's fucked up, man. Does it work? Oh, it works. Haha, it works. That's how you get different colors, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you. At least it works. Oh yeah, look at that. That's fucking neat. Changes colors, it charges your cell phone. Nice. I'll show you guys what I mean by it charges a cell phone. So there's my cell phone right there, and that's what it's doing outside right now. Fully white out. Just take this. Oh, 1% battery. And there you go. It charges my cell phone. Nice. You don't want the color one no more, you just hit this. There you go. And now it's clear. That's nice, that's badass. You want the color, you just hit the M. And then hit that. There you go. You don't, like I said, you don't want changing colors no more, you just, boom. I'm going to show you guys how bad the weather is right now. That's what it's doing outside right now. It's a complete freaking whiteout. Wow. Man. Not ever a whiteout. Can't show you about a storm window. Holy shit. Complete whiteout. Wow. Look at it in the monitor. Holy shit. Holy shit. What a freaking whiteout. Oh my god. Can't see 2 feet in front of you. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. That is a lot of fucking snow. I'm gonna definitely have to get my carport cleaned off today. Holy shit. What a fucking whiteout. Holy. Talk about whiteout conditions or what? Holy shit. Wow. That is fucking crazy. Okay, back to my room. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I got one thing to say and one thing only. This winter has been one hell of a winter for 2024 going into 2025. Cheers to that. We're getting annihilated. My snowbanks up front are so high, I'm running out of room where to put the snow. I don't know where to put the snow. I'm running out of room. And my car has got all seasonal tires on it. My car slides around everywhere. This spring, I'm taking the tires off my steel winter rims and I'm putting them on my aluminum summer rims for this summer. And you watch. This fall, I will put brand new winter tires on my steel rims, get ready for next winter, and we'll get next to nothing for snow. The year I get stuck with these shitty all-seasonal tires, we get fucking nailed with snow. We get hammered with snow. And you watch. Till next winter, when I get my winter tires on my steel rims, we'll get next to nothing for snow. Can't win for losing. That's just the way things work, ladies and gentlemen. It's just the way the cookie crumbles. Yeah, it's bad out there. I can't even believe my neighbor even went to work. That's fucked. But then he's probably got good winter tires on his truck, so he'll make it to work in his truck. But my car would put you in the ditch. Plus, they're those all seasonal crappy fucking tires. They're obviously only good for the summertime, and they're no fucking good for, weather like this. And the funny thing, my car is an all-wheel drive vehicle. I got an all-wheel drive 2015 Dodge Journey with all seasonal tires on it that are fucking obviously shit. And they're no good for winter. And like I said, you watch. Next winter I'll get brand new winter tires put on my steel rims, and we'll get hardly any snow at all. This year I get stuck with the shitty all seasonals, we get fucking hammered with snow. It's just the way it works. Well, I'm getting the munchies. Bag of regular chips. And some dill pickle chip dip. Really good fun. Yeah, I feel my molar's gonna let go any minute now. I will have to go to the dentist to get yanked out. It's gonna fall out on its own. It's hanging by a thread. That's good. That was really good. Awesome. Oh, fuck, that's good. That's a good combination. The guy sent me at the grocery store and went by us last night. Oh, Twisted Teas, chips and dip. And there's a good fucking combination for a movie. Yeah, right. I've been actually watching this one. The new Venom. Really good movie. This movie here I bought too. My brother. Twister, the new Twister. It's alright, but I still like the original one better. Sorry, new Twister, but old Twister blows your doors off. Cheers. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video here. See you in the next vid.
Thanks for watching the Kenneth Cole Beer Channel. Don't be a moron and hit the subscribe button.